ASEAN is climbing the global semiconductor ladder. With demand soaring and global sales topping $630 billion, Southeast Asia is stepping up. ASEAN is already the largest exporter of integrated circuits, but most of its role has been low-margin ATP, assembly testing, packaging. Now countries are investing to move up the value chain. Singapore leads with strong incentives, IP protection, and ease of business, attracting advanced manufacturing. Malaysia is building on ATP strengths and expanding into chip design and fabrication. Indonesia wants to become a regional hub by leveraging its silica sand supply and banning exports by 2027. Thailand is offering tax breaks and fast-tracking investments, already approving 20 Taiwanese semiconductor projects this year. The Philippines remains ATP heavy, but collaborative efforts show potential, though regulatory clarity is still lacking. ASEAN offers huge opportunities, but success requires local knowledge, navigating trade tensions, and understanding varied regulations.